A little bit short for Wisdom. Well, Andre Wisdom won't thank Jordan Henderson for that pass. Rosenberg fouled as a result of it. Never looked likely to reach the right back. Early free kick for West Brom. Goalkeeper Brad Jones comes and he seems to have lost it, and West Bromwich Albion are in front. And Liverpool look at Brad Jones, who came, clutched, lost it, and West Bromwich Albion lead in the 3rd minute of the game. It's a terrible, terrible start. Brad Jones lost it, and it's driven into the back of the net by Gabriel Tamas. West Bromwich Albion in front very early on. Here's Lukaku. Sahin with the block. West Bromwich Albion with the throw-in. Back into Lukaku, danger again here, deflection, could have been a second West Bromwich Albion goal after barely more than 5 minutes of the game. Good touch by Lukaku, brought him inside Carragher. Fortuna. Billy Jones looking for the run of Lukaku. Carragher, a little glance over his shoulder, and Lukaku's beaten Carragher. Fortuna in the middle calling for it. Lukaku, Brad Jones saved to his near post, Rosenberg denied. Strength and pace played back into the path of Marcus Rosenberg. Would be disappointed to have seen Brad Jones save that low down to his near post. Andre Wisdom getting forward. Stuart Downing. Wisdom in a position to cross. Wasn't convinced that anyone in the middle would get on the end of it. And that's snuck in from Liverpool with the equaliser from Nuur Sahin. Don't know how it got through Ben Foster. It's not a bad effort, it's a fizzer, it's low. It's dipping a little bit. But Foster's just misjudged it. Andre Wisdom, good recovery by Dorrans, out by Billy Jones. Here's Lukaku. Liverpool have it again with Henderson. Oh, caught. The referee will lob that from Malumbu, who'll probably get a yellow card in a minute. Well, it looks like he's going to escape without a yellow card, which is a little surprising. Oh my goodness me, that could practically have been a red. And he is now going to get a yellow card. Liverpool might think that that's a card which was overdue. I mean, that's nowhere near as bad, not even in the same ballpark as the tackle on Henderson. Henderson. Strong play by Malumbu, just to shrug Pacheco off it. Mistake by Jones, bad one. Downing. Sahin. Yesil on the turn. Yesil shot! Oh! Ben Foster nearly got beaten again. Certainly got lucky. Be interesting to see how much this moved through the air from Yesil. Asaidi. It's beaten Dawson. Olsen didn't panic. Pacheco there for Liverpool, great endeavour. It's gone for Curl, oh, and he's just skimmed the crossbar. Really unlucky. Foster was just off his line, and Pacheco spotted it. Scored a couple of goals in a loan spell at Norwich, Danny Pacheco, but he's never scored for Liverpool. Wasn't far away there. All the noise is coming from Liverpool's fans. Malumbu, Fortuna. Held up but not dispossessed by Sahin, and then Asaidi got a foot in. And here's Danny Pacheco. Nicely away from Thorne, Pacheco. Yes, still ahead of him, might go alone. He did, and why not with Foster in this mood? Well, Ben Foster is having one of those nights. Pacheco's first thought here was test the keeper, and again Ben Foster just didn't seem to get to grips with it at all. It dipped, mind you, very late, dipped right in front of him. Trying to be a little bit too clever, Marc-Antoine Fortuné. Saidi, foul, Dawson. He dived, says Dawson. No, he didn't, said the ref. No, he didn't, said the replay. Liverpool free kick. Curled in towards Quatters! Great save, Foster. Oh, he's had his sticky moments tonight, Ben Foster, but that's a great save to deny Quatters. Sahin with a free kick. Watch Quatters arriving. Really good reaction, stopped by Foster. And a little bit of Liverpool history. Their youngest ever first teamer, Jerome Sinclair, 16 years and 6 days. Suso still driving forward. Suso, it's done well. Saidi square, Sahin scores. Great Liverpool goal, beautifully worked. Nuur Sahin with what might be the winner at the Hawthorns. Great goal. Really good goal. The substitute Suso right at the heart of it. With 8 minutes to go, Liverpool are in front. Look at this from Suso. Positive thinking, a little feint, good run by Saidi, and on a plate for Sahin, who has scored his first 2 Liverpool goals here tonight. Can West Bromwich Albion save themselves now? It's a high quality goal. Dorrans, Olsen's ball towards the back post, danger here, Jones at the near post, good save, Fortuné. It's a terrific effort from an unpromising angle. And Liverpool are probably a kick away from the 4th round. They are through. Brendan Rodgers picked what might be the least experienced Liverpool side ever to take the field at a senior game. It's finished West Bromwich Albion 1, Liverpool 2.
Brendan, congratulations. If that's the future of Liverpool Football Club, then the future's pretty bright because your kids were exceptional.
Yeah, it was fantastic. Outstanding performance, but I've got to say I'm not surprised. I think all our performances this year have been excellent. We've had one half of our game, or 30 minutes of our game here, the first game of the season, where we weren't so good, and against Arsenal we weren't at our best for a number of reasons, but our performance level in a lot of the games and the flow and the tempo of our game is really picking up every single day. And as I said, tonight was fantastic, and like I said, it's great to see the kids play with confidence and that nice football arrogance with the ball.
We started positive, got a break, obviously a mistake for the goal, got in front. I thought we were bright after that, and then we just seemed to set off the game a little bit. We allowed Liverpool to pass the ball, which we'd spoken about not allowing them to do. They got in, and I think the manner of their goal seemed to knock the wind out of sail a little bit, and we lost control of the game.